Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nuzhat and I'm a certified soft skills trainer and image consultant. I work with women to enhance their personalities through communications and appearance management and help them build confidence. For today's episode, we have something very interesting coming up. I recently visited a store that I've been shopping from for a very long time. It's a brand called Cotton World and they have some of the comfiest clothes and materials. Now, the good thing about them is that they have the very basics, so you won't find like a lot of prints, but it will be something that can be used for daily wear or even professionally. So, one of the things that I came across, which I'm going to share about today, is the fabric that was used in one of the clothes. So, the salesman told me that check this material out as well. It's made out of bamboo. Now, when we are buying clothes nowadays, that we do a lot of online shopping or the fast fashion has become a common trend, we rarely take the time to pause and look at the fabrics that we are buying. It's important for us to look at the materials that we are buying. There could be various reasons that you should be looking at the fabric. One being, and the number one priority that you should be having is the comfort. How does it feel to wear? Can you wear this fabric throughout the day? And that is one of the most important things that you should consider. Whether it's a comfortable, it's sustainable, what are the care instructions for it, and is it good for the environment? Because we want to build a sustainable wardrobe, not something which is fast fashion. You use it a few times and then you throw away. Please look at wardrobe in the sense of an investment. When we talk about investment, we think something big like real estate or financial. But I want you to start looking at your wardrobe in terms of an investment. So you will have the best pieces in your wardrobe. Now coming back to our fabric. So the salesman told me it's a bamboo fabric. Now, what is bamboo made of? So, bamboo is the fabric bamboo is basically derived from the bamboo plant, and hence the name. Now, it is known to be soft, it's versatile, it's sustainable, but there is one thing that you need to note. Bamboo can be made in two different ways. So, one is the mechanical process, and the other one is the chemical process. So, I'm not getting into the details of how it's done, but basically, the mechanical one is the more sustainable one, and the chemical one is the one that you may want to stay away from because there are a lot of chemicals added during the process of making this fabric. So when you look at when you're reading the instructions on any clothes that you're buying, and if it says bamboo linen, then it's mechanical process, which is the sustainable one. And if it is written bamboo rayon, which means that it is chemicals have been used in the process. So take some time to educate yourself about the fabrics used in the clothes that you're wearing. Or from today onwards, start reading the labels before you buy. Benefits to buying the bamboo fabric clothes. One is that it's soft, so it's good for your skin. It's breathable, so during hot weather, or it's even used in activewear. So when you're buying activewear, you can check it out whether it's made out of bamboo fabric. The third one being it's can be used in winters as well. So it will keep you cool during summers and warm during winters, which I think is great because it's versatile. You can use the same piece of clothing throughout the year, even if the weather changes. And it's of course eco-friendly. About it is that it's antibacterial and protects you from allergens, which can be great in today's environment where we face a lot of dust or pollution. So the kind of materials that you're wearing, it can protect your body from those as well. Be as durable as the synthetic fabrics, and it might require extra care in terms of gentle wash and the way you dry it, and it might require a little ironing. So keep that in mind when you're with this can be it can shrink more than cotton shrinks. So you might have to keep that in mind when you're buying the size of the clothing. Try it out and maybe then buy it's useful, and comment below to share with me what are the fabrics that you have tried or would like to try for summers.